Are you ready? The time has come. Let the show begin.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Good afternoon. This is Adalbert from Summit's Pharmacy. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. My name is Ashley Lazaga. I would like to request a refill for my prescription.
Of course, Ms. Lasaga, may I have your date of birth and the name of the medication you would like to refill?
Yes, my date of birth is May 11, 2005, and the medication is Atinol 50 mg.
Thank you. I will check our records. One moment, please. Yes, I see your prescription here. May I confirm whether you have any remaining refills authorized by your physician?
I believe I have one refill left.
That's correct. You have one refill remaining. I will process it for you now. Would you prefer to pick up it up at the pharmacy? Or would you like to us to arrange delivery?
I will pick it up tomorrow's afternoon.
Very well. Your prescription will be ready for pickup tomorrow at 2 p.m. Please bring a valid ID when you arrive.
Thank you very much for your assistance.
You're most welcome, Miss Lasaga. We will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye.